Welcome here from the CES 2024. We're here with Aiper and they're introducing not only new pool cleaning robots, but the latest product is also for the first time not only pool-based but also lawn-based, because I have a lawn mower actually that doesn't even need a wire, can just go around and cut the grass. So let's check out all the products from the new pool cleaning to the lawn mowing, because spring is starting soon and then we need to get back into the market and get some help with these little guys to keep our pools clean and our gardens well trimmed. Let's start off with the hero product. Here is the brand new S1 Pro with the biggest suction. It's really nice, as you can see here, grippy bottom part. So if you have a big pool up to 200 square meters or you need a big put through of water, because this has up to 379 liters per minute, which is in gallons. Also quite impressive. I just have to peek here. 100 gallons per minute can go through this little device here, with also a huge filter, so it could go on for days, but the battery life is actually 180 minutes, and you can charge it after that for 4 to 6 hours, depending on how much you use it, of course. And it can go around for 1,200 bucks and clean your huge pool. But if you don't want to spend this much, then let's go to the next smaller one, the S1, which is also introduced here at the CES. Here we have the sweet spot of the Aiper products. We have the S1, which is half the price almost of the S1 Pro, only $699 for still a lot of water put through. We have here 70 gallons per minute, which is still quite a lot, but as you can see, it's a lot smaller. I can even lift it up easily because it has not as strong suction power. So if you have a really a big pool with not the slimmest surface, then you probably need the Pro model so it can stick actually on the wall. But anyhow, the S1 is available for $699. It can go also for up to 3 hours. The battery size is almost the same, but of course the battery put through and the filter is a lot smaller on this one, so there is not so much dirt that it can get together. So let's check out the even cheaper model, the E1, if you just want to start off with a little small robot and then work your way up to a bigger one. And let's finish up with the lawnmower if you just want to cut grass and don't have a pool. Let's continue with the mass product for all the households that you should definitely buy if you don't want to clean your pool. That's the Scuba E1. It has a small filter in the front that can still put through up to 60 gallons per minute. So it's just a little bit slower than the regular S1, but only half the speed of the S1 Pro, but at 1/3 of the price. But what's more important here is that it's smaller. As you can see, it does not stick on the wall as good, and also it has no AI features, so it just goes and cleans and finishes when it thinks that it's done. So that's why this is just a little bit cheaper of a product. But let's continue with a really smart product, which is the new lawnmower, because they're not going to do pools anymore only by Aiper, but also lawns. So let's go and check out the new lawnmower by Aiper. And here we're already with the last part. After 5 pool cleaning rods from 200 ranging to over 1,000 bucks, we have now a lawnmower. Finally, that where you don't need a wire at all, you just let it go. It checks the whole garden, not only with RTK technology, real-time kinetic, but also INS, which means that it actually knows even when there's no connection with GPS and other solutions in its field around it, where it is, like new smart cars, which makes it more accurate, faster, better. And of course also at the beginning, maybe not so cheap, but we don't know the price yet, but I would estimate around 1,000 bucks or more will be the U1 minute, will be released end of Q1 in this year 2024. So if there's any questions or any solutions that you already use from Aiper or from other companies, please write it down below in the comment section. Also follow me on Instagram and TikTok for more content as usual. My name is Balazs. Thank you much for seeing you guys around here on Tech Video, and I hope to you guys check out more content from the CES 2024 with me also here in the next few videos. So have a good one and bye.